we don't see how we want to add code to the body of our site. So make we see which other thing we fit still do with this our HTML. Make we look how many more elements we fit add, wetin the thing go dey do, how we go dey understand the code where our eyes they see every day. So make we see here. Make we take the heading for example. This heading, this H1 is called a heading. If you put mouse for am, you go see say you go fit read wetin e be. You go see say the H1 element represents a section heading. Now, this section heading now, it go be this big text where we dey put for here. So if we put am, say we want am small text, you know say it go be small text. So if I make am small, go change am to 2, right? So you go come this H1 here, we go change am to 2. Just remember, say you dey always get opening tag, which na this one, and you dey always get closing tag, which na this one, with the /. Yeah, you dey always get this /. Then a closing tag. No ever forget them, they're very important. Okay, now moving on. If we press save, you go see our H2 go see appear for here. But let's say we want to add more things to our site. So let's say we want to add text. We want to add a whole sentence. So we go write P, go to the next line. We go add the P tag. Make I come out this H2. As we did this P, as we just type P like this, nothing will happen. So if I press save and I don't put any tag for here, you go see say it go just write P for me. Now if you just write your code like this, but the problem is say you go break your code. 1, 2, Google no go even recognize your code, and it go cause you all sorts of problems. We say you yourself you go to regret say why you not do them. However, the standard way of doing it, you're supposed to write them inside a tag. You're supposed to give tag name, and then you're supposed to write where you want your code. So now we want a P tag. So remember, say to make a tag, we go say less than, then this less than, we go say P, and then don't forget to close the P. So we go press shift and greater than. Also shift and less than to do the less than if you don't know. Then we go open up. So make I copy this text or cut this text here, and then cut it, Control X. Then we go paste them here, Control V. And now, if I press save, you go see say, now the same.